Bubbly, 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 blah, 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 blah. What is going on, everybody? I know I've been gone a while, but I can explain. So while I was riding down the road, going a little bit over the speed limit, but definitely not enough to justify this, my GoPro slipped out of the mount. It was just really weird because I know GoPro has these really good mounts, and that little rubber piece is there, and it's designed to have the mount not slip out like it did. It's just like the 3M tape and the female end of the mount are still perfectly attached to my helmet, but for some reason that male end slipped out and my camera and mic adapter went with it. It fell, took a bit of damage. It's still fine though. The glass was good and it still turned on, to my surprise. So props to GoPro for making a tough little camera. The frame got damaged, a little bit of scratches on like the protective lens of the camera, not too bad, but the mic adapter was lost. That $50 hardware that was just kind of bulky and a little inconvenient, that came out and landed somewhere, I don't know, it's gone forever. But thankfully I contacted GoPro and they definitely helped me out. They sent me a new frame, a new protective lens, obviously a new mount, and what I really didn't expect was that they actually sent me a new mic adapter. And I'm not sure if I'm just tripping, but this new one seems smaller than the old one did. I think it fits a little bit better. I'm not sure if there's a new model. I'm not a huge like GoPro fanatic, so I don't follow every little detail, but I feel like it's new. It's a new little mic adapter. And this is actually the first time I'm testing it. So if I get out here and make this video and nothing works, or like I don't get audio, I'm gonna be a little upset. I probably should have tested it first. But you know what? This is how I test things. It's a little chilly to be out here riding without a jacket. It's a little early. It's not even noon yet. And it's been really, really overcast all day. This is the first time I've seen like blue sky in a while. It's been raining every day. That's another reason I haven't got out since I got the new GoPro back, or the new mount and the new mic adapter. It's been raining like constantly, so I haven't been able to get out. So sorry about that. They're destroying that building over there. It's just all rubble. It's all trash. But anyway, I was talking to a lot of people before this, and they were saying like GoPro may send you a new mount since theirs failed and dropped your camera and mic adapter and scratched up the lens and the frame. So I was kind of expecting for GoPro to be like, yeah, we can send you a new mount. I was not expecting to get like everything that was damaged back. I feel like GoPro's having to step it up a little bit because they don't control the market anymore. I know a few years ago they kind of were the only ones in the action camera department, at least the only ones that mattered. You could go buy a cheap one that like didn't really work, broke easily, and recorded like kind of 1080p, but not really. That was it. But now that there's a few competitors in the game, it's getting a little bit more difficult for GoPro to like try to control everything the way they want. So I guess they stepped up their customer service game. But yeah, that's just, I wanted to explain why I haven't been on the YouTubes all that much. I do plan on getting some more water guns and shooting stuff. Sorry, that car was tailgating me. I didn't like that. Anyway, where was I? Ah yes, water guns. I posted that like short little clip from the water gun video, and it's got like over 12,000 views now. I did not expect that. It kind of blew up pretty quickly. I'm not used to these turns. I haven't been back here in forever. And I have to be a little careful because the sun hasn't hit these roads and it's still a little damp back here. But anyway, I know GoPro has been having a few issues, I guess, and some of their customers really aren't liking the Hero 5 or the Hero 6. But I do like my Hero 5. I think it's doing pretty well for what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's a little pricey, yeah, but it's what I expect. I mean, I think I'm getting what I pay for, relatively speaking. But thank you to GoPro for actually replacing something that I feel like really was their fault that it broke and came off. Their mount failed and I expected to get a mount back, but they actually replaced the things that got damaged for the mount's failure. And that really is important to me, that a company actually does that, because I do see a lot of people, and have personally dealt with things where the company would have just been like, oh, well, sucks, bro, go buy a new one. So I'm pretty happy about that little outcome there. That was pretty nice. I do not like the random gravel patches in this road, and like right there is some grass. People mow the grass and like throw it in the road. Kind of dangerous. People don't understand how slick that is for motorcycles. Just gotta be careful out here, man. Everything's trying to kill you. It's like Australia. In other news, I have a blood drive tomorrow that I'm going to and helping out with and supporting my friend. I hope she gets enough people. It's supposed to count for her senior project. A lot of people, especially like down south or in Georgia at least, know what the senior project is for their high school. And she's trying to use this blood drive as her senior project, but she needs like so many people or so much blood donated. So I'm hoping that happens. I'm gonna be there tomorrow, and I've already posted it on like all my social media and even my my Ride with Danger social media. So I'm hoping to see some people there, especially if someone on a bike showed up, like even one person that saw my post and like showed up. That would be awesome. I know I don't have like a huge influence because I don't have a huge amount of followers. I'm not like doing it with GTR, but you know, maybe one day I'll get there. I know these roads are probably really fun to go fast through, but I'm not super comfortable with them right now because I haven't been back here in a while. Plus there's some wet spots and some gravel spots I'm not too happy about. But I mean, driving slow through here is really beautiful. I say slow. I'm still been going like twice the speed limit through here, but whatever. Anyway, guys, that's all I got. Going to that blood drive tomorrow. I'm hoping the weather is a little decent. I'll bring my bike there. I'm not gonna film anything, but I'm hoping maybe afterwards I can get some more film, make another video, shoot some people with a water gun. I don't know, something. I just want to get back out on my bike, man, and film. It's fun. It's fun for me. It's just this weather has not been allowing it. This is the clearest it's been in a while. Well, I don't know. It's Georgia. It'll be super sunny. I'll like get ready to go. I'll step outside and like all of a sudden it's pouring rain. So, I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you later. I'll catch you next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you guys have an awesome year. Bubbly, 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 blah, 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 blah.